You don't need 21 days to fix your life. You need one day, one honest decision, one moment where you stop lying to yourself and finally act. Because you don't need more time, you need more truth. So here's a 24-hour reset. No fluff, no hype, just war. Step 1, turn everything off. No phone, no scrolling, no distractions. Why? Because you're not broken, you're overstimulated. Silence is clarity. Step 2, look in the mirror. Ask yourself, who am I pretending to be? Feel that sting? That's your real self waking up. Today, stop performing. Step 3, write down your toxic habits, draining places, and the lies you tell. Then destroy the page. Why? To send one message. That version of you dies today. Step 4, set a 60-minute timer. Move your body 20 minutes. Dump your thoughts 20 minutes. Sit in silence 20 minutes. That's how power returns. Step 5, at 9 p.m., look in the mirror and say, thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect, but for being real. You're not lost. You're buried. And today, you begin digging yourself out.